Vale. Ya, kan soalnya boram bang. Kan ramkel kan nyerol community radio. Radio en lalat nyerol dia. Karena lalat nuana na jingat me be ke galasian. Ngot ka ko tungwan kana no ka kana ngai ku ka ko na ngai ku ke ka ko na si ku du. Gone na bina ya bishodu dia ka bitele bi ko mo bor ko ke. Bir nei lar gone na jini chal jide. Bị dâu bị là dương đẹp có nên bà video bây giờ kìa dâu bà chiêu từ bà con đi
chiêu đấy ăn nó gần
chọn cái guanar nè guanar gai nè ok guanar gai con kalau guanar thì kurang dang deh di rundang wal pakai ka payam do gune pergui ini ka county good ok ka unity state guanar gune medan kap gitu kap gitu POC seri ka jiba shanga di medan kap gitu shanga jandara we ngwan ka pai wara ga me sai ka bu shanga jandara we ngwan ka pai wara ka POC seri ka jiba gune medan e choi nang tim ga nang ka gada tiger okay, kami saya nangka ger tiger. Peng menindi sinang ka ger. Kita ni nang. Kita ni nang rau. Me saya nangka ger wai nang wene. Kau no ko matar juga. Wai nangka matar. Me saya cukup matar wai nang ni. Wai nangka ger. Ger la shell. Okay, ka ger la shell nang je ke kre dial pin nang je ke. Nang je ke put kre ki. Okay. Ka me sia shop ka ger la shell. Ngut sai wo del di sai nang ni ka.
Chi wam dong ai yen ger.
Wai nang ka ger la shell.
Ger.
Ka ger je. Soi la de. Jin ki ta ga ko ke sai ka ke.
Agar marah aku kaya.
Dande.
Kalau konti jadi ni jarang orang kali. Orang juga orang kali itu orang.
Okay. Sini dah ada uji jen ke bus. Situ penkau, siapa jok. Situ ni dah ada. Okay. Kalau ship le jen gua ke ship jen siapa ke. Ke itu dah dari mana na picture kita lom. Kenin dan di te konti ci. Okay. Me kenin dan di te konti ci nang me jen ke dia lah sih.
Meja ke ger. Itu borna.
Itu born darong. Ka jedu gela mar min sibenne ka langken kenin dan di ci nang.
Jende ke ger. Ini benda jalan. Jadi mana minang orang pun lagi nanti.
Okay, kita ni dang perau. Okay. Ka nei ko kien to de kondesia de tayen kelian ke. Angu pen ke beno. Adwal. Ke ko jete gwal mi di no ru jeke.
Okay. Ngai ke lakin jo ke na. Adwa mana tene jai. Sia na.
Jo ke ai go jare ro.
Ru pancing ginu.
Lu wi wo be na. Chang ginu. Kina ko dwal. Cái gì xíu của ai chẳng nữa đúng không ạ? Cái chẳng cái gì đi cần người ta liên quan vào cái quan điểm cái chẳng.
Chẳng hạn như vậy kia nó cũng mấy cái vật mà anh mà để như nó như rồi luôn về thì cái gì vậy? Cái nó gọi cái số cái nó kula đi nó quên đi được quên gọi ini ide aku tu ni tab ni dah.
Gano, kata anak siayan siayan je menwasol ni, konjira dia, ni sinat ben kata wal jam, tom ni lar tungwan kan lakanan kan ni tungwan, mensul kan ni wana na bau je penjong sia more, bayang lagi kan wana na jilti teka, kasi syukur kan kap pol point tu, kalau point tu mana pol? Pol. Gua, ana antam gua medir lar sia more. chia mor dir galar gwa den titin kana kana nan jalo ne ge ka chia mor ta ram dir talpone dire kan wuju ni ke joy sa sabba ke chari alaga de ke jor ke de laru ka ni jaga la tele talpone ne galo ka tine titi ba bala ke media ba wone ni chia mor ni chia mor ba do rakam ko ta ke ba ne yor ka ba jaga du rai mu wa sabba ka mu wa ori alaga ko sabba ka tam cha to ke ba la message da ko chigene dial ten kono te media ten kono right to no ba ta na ni tilat kana condition na ni titin kana message ni tilat che mo ba nyo mo la de to ni ko den ba ko le ne ko ten kono ni ta na to ana ba jen ba wang da ba de ta kamera ba message da ba nyo mo la hello to everyone who will be going to watch this video. I am Burambang, the CEO of Nuer Community Radio. I'm reporting in Lankan, and I was called by the county authority that these young boys arrived today early in the morning. They came from Galatian, and as you may have heard, I've been talking to him in the local language, in real language, and he have explained where he came from and how old he is, plus several others information. So I'm here to share this story in English so that everyone will be able to understand his condition, where he came from, and how it was started. As talking to this young boy right here, he said that he escaped from Galashel in the Violet County of the Afanal State. According to him, he said he left several children in the military camp in Galashel. Some are afraid to escape for their life, and some are not aware, of how to escape the military camp. Along the way, he said that he has spent 7 days walks to reach Lankan, and he also calls upon UNIMIS and UNICEF to unite him with his immediate family. His name is Guanar. He is 16 years old. He hails from Kwergwini Fayam of Witt County in Unity State. Guanar said before his abduction on 24th of December 2025, he was in primary 6. By February this year, if he was allowed to set for his primary exams, then by February he should be in primary 7. Unfortunately, he was abducted in POC Strait in Juba, and he was initially taken to Gada Tiger in Juba, where they were taken to Galatian SSPDF military camps by boat through the river. From there, they have been in the camps for military training, and he decided to escape. He decided to escape, and some said, no, we should not escape because we don't know what may happen along the way, because they were terrified that SPLA IO are in the bushes and they are going to kill everybody. So Ghana decided to escape no matter what until he finally made it in Lankan. Talking to him, he said he was abducted on 24 December 2025, and several others are now in Galatian military camp, where different ethnicities are there: Nuer, Dinka, Yal Equatoria, all are there. So Gwanar said if there is a way to reunite him with his family, and he would appreciate that. And we know UNICEF in South Sudan, mainly the Department of Child Protection and United Nations Mission in South Sudan are the concerned bodies to reunite this young boy with his immediate family so that he should go back to school. As a radio personnel, I call upon UNICEF and UNIMIS to come and investigate or verify the information, share it with me by Granad guys, so that if they found him qualified as underage, he will be taken to Cuba so that he should go back. I will stop here, and I will also like to know in the video or on the comment section if you identified Granad, then please, there are numbers. There are numbers on our page, on Nuer Community Radio page. Call us, we will pick up the call, we will allow the immediate family to talk to their son. And there, we will also be representing on how Granad and UNIMIS can get in touch. Now, as we have all witnessed that in Northern Jubilee, there is a lot of things going on, like security purpose, things relating to security. If things goes on well, I would like to appeal to UNIMIS and UNICEF to come along to take this young boy and reunite him with his immediate family so that he go back to school. He is underage. He deserves to be at school, not to be at a military camp, because he's a young boy. So thank you so much. I'm your brother Boramba.